Here at What's Up Hollywood we make sure you will always be entertained. That's why today we put the funniest Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial TikTok videos together for you. Enjoy and subscribe if you like to see more.
Isn't it true that Johnny got you the role you played in Aquaman?
Yes, that's correct.
Isn't it true that Johnny got you the role that you played in Aquaman?
Excuse me? I got that role by auditioning. Have you not seen Pineapple Express, maybe? I was in that movie. And what about Zombieland? I played Zombie number 1. Zombie number 1? I got so deep into that character that I've never been able to break out of it. In fact, I'm still playing Zombie number 1 in this trial.
You're still in character? What does that mean?
Thank you for asking. Let me get into character. You just hit me, Johnny! You just hit me!
I lose my balance. At this point, we're sitting next to each other on the edge of the couch, or I was on the edge of the couch. I was just sitting there on this carpet, looking at the dirty carpet, wondering how I wound up on this carpet and why. Pulls his arm back with the phone and throws it at my face. Hit me right in it felt like my eye. I put my head in my hands and immediately start crying. I said, "You hit me with the phone. Johnny, you hit me." And I'm sitting on the couch. I didn't even have time to react, you know? I didn't even have time to put my hands up. I was still sitting cross-legged in my socks on the couch. My dog stepped on a bee.
Objection, relevance.
She beat my fucking ass, bro, every day. Hearsay, Your Honor. Okay, well, there was this one time that... Hearsay. You're not gonna stop this shit? Okay, well, to answer your question, Nope, hearsay. God damn it, that pisses me off. Bitch, it's fine. I'm about to talk about the poop right now. What question do you have about that monster?
Is he a bigger monster than the poop you left on his bed?
Oh, not that poop.
My dog stepped on a bee.
Objection, relevance.
If you don't know me, I'm that bee. Broke my neck cause I'm a dog stepped on me. I really thought I would let this fly. In the court about to testify. We know you lied about the makeup palette. Chopped a cigar off with a sharp mallet. You pooped in the bed, not a tear was shed. You should really work on your acting talent. You got murked by your own team.
Objection, hearsay.
Now you're getting murked by Johnny. Snotting up on live TV. The first post for a quick selfie.
You asked the question.
Okay.
My dog stepped on a bee. My bee stepped on a dog. My dog stepped on a dog. My bee stepped on a bee. My dog and my bee stepped on my... Do
you remember what happened last night, Miss Heard? No. No, I do not. Okay. Did you or did you not go out with your friends last night? I'm sorry, I don't understand that question. Did you or did you not go out with your friends last night? You did, didn't you? I don't remember what happened last night, but my dog stepped on a bee. A bee. A bee. Miss Heard. Your dog has absolutely nothing to do with this case. You wore a red shirt last night, isn't that right? No, that's incorrect. It was more of like a dark pink. Yeah, it was like a darker pink. I wouldn't say red, no. And you went out last night. Did you or did you not eat Taco Bell? No, that's absolutely incorrect. It was more of like a softer shell, if you will, with all the ingredients. I would say more of like a burrito. Yeah.
My dog stepped on a bee.
And then my dog stepped on a bee. Yeah.
Yeah, then my dog stepped on a bee, honey. Yeah, oh, yeah. And then my dog stepped on a bee. Then my dog, stepped on a bee. Ew, David. Then actually, you won't believe it, but my dog stepped on a bee.
My dog stepped on a bee. It looks quite pretty.
Will you please state your name?
Yes, it's Amber Laura Hurd.
And what is your address?
I live in Yucca Valley, California.
And how old are you, Amber?
I am 36. I just celebrated.
Okay. And do you have a daughter?
I do. She also celebrated her birthday recently. She's 1.
Okay. And what is your profession?
I am an actor, mostly.
Okay. Now, why are you here?
I am here because my ex-husband is suing me for an op-ed I wrote.
And how do you feel about that?
I struggle to have the words. I struggle to find the words to describe how painful this is.
You didn't show this jury a picture of you in that backless dress, though, did you?
I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry.
You didn't show this jury a picture of you at the Mordecai premiere wearing a backless dress, did you?
I haven't had the opportunity to.
Okay.
I assume you have it?
I do. Let's please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1256. This is a picture of you and Mr. Depp, or the back of you, at the Mordecai premiere in Tokyo, correct, Ms. Hurd?
That is correct.
Your Honor, I move to admit and publish this picture.
All right, 1256 in evidence.
This is you in the backless dress at the Mordecai premiere in Tokyo, right?
That is correct.
You would agree that there are no...
And he said, I don't think now's a good time to go. And I thought, it's the perfect time. She's not going to be home for 2 days. And then he showed me a photograph.
What was the photograph of Mr. Depp?
It was a photograph of the bed, our bed. And on my side of the bed, was human fecal matter. So I understood why it wasn't a good time to go down there.
And then if you want to cover up a bruise, you obviously put foundation first, concealer, and then on top of that, I used a bruise kit. Not a bruise kit, it's a theater makeup kit, a color correction kit. But
Pedal my way back. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Aquaman!
Oh.
on top of me, and I'm looking at it in his eyes, and I don't see him anymore. I don't see him anymore. It wasn't him. It was black. I've never...
Will you please state your name?
Yes, it's Amber Laura Hurd.
And what is your address?
I live in Yucca Valley, California.
And how old are you, Amber?
I am 36. I just celebrated.
Okay. And do you have a daughter?
I do. She also celebrated her birthday recently. She's 1.
Okay. And what is your profession?
I am an actor, mostly.
Okay. Now, why are you here?
I am here because my ex-husband is suing me for an op-ed I wrote.
And how do you feel about that?
I struggle to have the words. I struggle to find the words to describe how painful this is. And then if you want to cover up a bruise, you obviously put foundation first, concealer, and then on top of that, I used a bruise kit. Not a bruise kit, it's a theater makeup kit, a color correction kit, but I called it my bruise kit.